all right? This actually works on the concept of signature-based challenge response, all right? So what is the benefit of doing this way? Let's see what is that. So initially, when user wants to log in, bank provides a login page, user enters his password, all right? Bank still want to verify something. The bank cannot rely on what was entered by user. So you want to verify some kind of a step-up authentication or for some kind of a multi-factor authentication, right? For that reason, bank has a stored database information which has all the users' public keys. This is Alice public key, Bob public key, and different users' public keys, all right? So the first thing that happens is there is some other device which is actually used as a second factor authentication. This device can be a mobile phone, or it can be any USB device attached to the laptop itself, right? So this device is having the private key of that user, which is specific to that user. So what bank does is, bank retrieves the public key of Alice. Let's say this device belongs to Alice. Bank retrieves the public key of Alice, encrypts the message, right? And when message is received by Alice, she decrypts the message with the corresponding private key, and Alice responds back by signing it with her private key, right? And how does the bank validate that? Bank is having the corresponding public key, so whatever is that is signed by using the private key is validated with the corresponding public key. I mean, you might ask the question, so how it is actually efficient? Let's say in future this server is compromised, the complete database is compromised, right? Now all the attacker gets is just the public keys. So what are public keys? They're publicly available, right? Even though they're compromised, the hacker can do nothing, right? So in short, no secrets on server, simple user experience. So this is one of a mechanism of implementing two-factor authentication. As someone was pointing out, you can still use some OTP-based authentication as well. All right? Any questions?